Welcome to another edition of the Grill Oasis, where we relax, chill, and grill. I am your host, OT. Today, family, we have one of America's favorite foods, steak, red meat. We love steak. But the key to cooking good steak is the sealing the juices. So if you notice, we put some wood on our fire so that when we put the steaks on there, they're going to seal. You're going to be able to hear it sizzle like such. Yeah, sizzling in those juices, seal them in. Boom. We got some good cuts too, family. We got a couple of fillets, a couple of ribeyes. Again, as you can recall, like what we like to do on the Grilling Oasis is we season the first side inside the house. And then when we come out, put a little season on the rear side. That way your juices doesn't wash away the seasoning. Put a little seasoning and some pepper on there. We're gonna let them seal. We're gonna come back and flip. Alright, family, so we left it on there for about a minute. Look at that, grill marks. That's what you want to see. That's sealed in juices right there, family. And remember, we put it on top of the fire so the fire can lick it up just a little bit. That's what we want. And these fillets, we want them tender. We want them juicy. Don't overcook your steak. You want your steak always tender and juicy. Like in those juices like that. See how the fire's going around, just licking up the fat? It's going to give you a little bit of crispiness around the fatty area. Very delicious. And that's wood up under there that's producing that fire. So you're going to get that fire taste while you're grilling the steaks. Alright, family, we're going to let them cook a little bit more, then we'll be ready to take them off. Alright, family, so again we're checking on our steaks. See, the fire's still good and hot. That's how you want to cook your steaks. You want them on a hot fire. That's what seals in those juices and things. Now, depending on whether or not you want a well steak or a medium well steak, that's going to next determine our next move. So we prefer medium well. So we generally keep them away from the direct heat once we've sealed in those juices. So now I'm going to move the steaks away from the fire. See the fire right there. And you can see the fire just going around. It's just really just giving a nice char taste. We're going to get them out the way so that they give us a nice medium well, depending on what you like. And then we'll be ready to take those babies off. No need to flip them over again unless you want to, depending on what you like. We generally flip them just one more time and then we'll be ready to take them off. Alright, family, it's time to take off the steaks. You can see that fire has just licked up these steaks. They loved it. Woo! Yes, sir. See that there, family? That's what you want. You want a nice steak. Put it on there, get the last little bit of that char. We like that. It's a good cut of steaks, too. If y'all want to see where we got our steaks, check out the haul. Dee'll tell you all about it. Got filet, good price, and got these ribeyes for a good price. So if you want just a little bit extra char on there, just stick it on that fire. That's why we put it on there hot and put the wood on there hot. No need to soak your wood. Put the wood on there dry so it can keep the fire going, but it give you that nice good oak taste. As you see, we just finish it up right now. Just finishing it up. Alright, family, this is what we got. We're going to let the steaks rest, and then we're going to dig in. Appreciate you, family. Enjoyed it. See you next time on the Grilling Oasis.